How the cloud computing works. This is the topic today. So, for working out the cloud computing, we need to see the cloud computing architecture. In the architecture, if you see, there is two things mainly, that is the front end and the back end. The cloud computing architecture will going to have the many cloud components which are loosely coupled. We can broadly divide these, the loosely coupled parts, the components, into front end and the back end. Each of the ends is connected through a network, usually internet. The diagram will going to graphically tell about the cloud computing. This is what is the front end, and here is an internet, and this is the back end. Now, in the back end, we have management, application, service, cloud runtime, storage, infrastructure. These are all runs at the back end, and these all components are connected together through the internet. So, this design approach, what we are considering basically here. If you talk about front end, the front end refers to the client part of the cloud computing. It consists of interfaces and the application that are required to access the cloud computing platforms. For example, web browser. Through the web browsers, we are connected to the internet, different services that we are seeing into the systems. If you see the back end refers to the cloud itself. That means something which is available on the backside, which is the part of the cloud. It consists of all the resources required to provide cloud computing services. Any number of it comprises of huge data storage, virtual machines, security mechanisms, services, deployments, models, servers, many things, storage, virtual machines, security mechanisms, deployment models, many of the things we're going to have in the back end. It is the responsibility of the back end to provide built-in security mechanisms, traffic control, and the protocols. So backend has to see everything. The traffic has to be controlled. There has to be, security mechanism must be provided. It has to follow all the transport layer protocols for the traffic control. The server employs certain protocols known as middleware. The server has to employs certain protocols, which is the part of middleware, which helps to connected devices to communicate with each other. So middleware is the portion or the protocol, the section which will be going to provide the devices to communicate with each other. Now, if you see cloud infrastructure components, in that component, management software, deployment software, then hypervisor, servers, network, storage, these are all different components will be combined together, and they need to do the different tasks in this. So this is what is the different job the cloud has to provide as an infrastructure. Now, if you see, the cloud infrastructure consists of servers, storage device, network cloud, management software deployment, software and platform virtualization. These are all things which are combined together to provide the services that we need to provide to the client with the help of these infrastructure. The cloud covers many different technologies today. There are different technologies that are available, and which supposed to be uh, inculcated into the cloud, and the cloud will be the service provider for front end different settings. There are many tools could be combined together, and related data will be stored for that. So it covers many different technology, and that has to be stored in it. If you see, the physical servers are now virtual via cloud computing. So what is happening here is that physically it has to present somewhere. Now, as it is present somewhere, no, but what is happening through this particular cloud? Now I am bringing this physical server, you know, available onto the virtual via cloud computing. Through the cloud computing, I'm bringing it to the virtual server, and from that virtual server, I'm started providing to the users. So that's why it is available on many places now, and because of that, service become very easier. Not only easier, it become very fast, which is the demand of today. That's what is the concept that we are using it. So, if you talk about the question, how does cloud computing works? So we need to answer this particular question. To understand the working of the cloud system, it is easier to divide it into two sections. That's what we are seeing. That is the front end and the back end. They are connected to each other through the network, usually via the internet, is what we are seeing. The front end is the side of the computer user or the client. Back end is the cloud section of the system. That means the cloud section, in that there are many components which are available and that we need to check. Now, if you see this infrastructure, then we have seen many a times, that is infrastructure, platform, and the applications. These are the three major sections in which we have divided this particular cloud. So, infrastructure as in service, platform as in service, software as in service. These are the different things that categorize. So under the infrastructure, you can see the different computer system, storage, the network, physically whatever the things which are available, those infrastructure will be provided as an services in the cloud. Not only that, but the platform. Let us say the database, run times, your object storage. These are all the platforms which are available. But if I talk about applications, so various applications are also available, which is providing and the top level. And for that, your thin client or your laptop or your servers can be connected together to this the cloud, and they can access any of this, either infrastructure or the platform or the application. Any of this particular system can be made the use on this. The front end consists of the client computers or the computer network, also the application essential to access the cloud system. It is not necessary that all cloud computing systems have the same user interface. It can be different. Client computers or computer networks, through that you can access all the application essential to the to access the cloud system. On the back end of the cloud technology system, there are various computers, servers, and the data storage system that makes us up the cloud. A cloud computing system, cloud potentially include any computer program from data processing to video games. Generally, each application will have its own dedicated servers. All applications, they are having their own dedicated server in the cloud. So this is how it is, they are interacting with each other. So in between, if you see this particular cloud, it is accessing either infrastructure or the platform or the application, and these are all are connected together, either the outer side also or the inside also. They all are, everything is connected to the internet, and they are all available in the net physically also, and we are bringing through the cloud those physical data into the we are bringing it into through the cloud, we are bringing it in the virtual form. So then from the virtual form it is served to the different people, and because of that it is giving a lot of benefit and faster access. So this is how the system works.